on the best Alberta trucking job in the world, Central Alberta. Me and another guy, we're gonna go out, we're gonna get a Premix tank and Centrifuge stand. It's not very far out of town. It'll be a pretty short video. Spoiler alert, everything goes perfect as it always does. Yeah, we're gonna bring him back into town and drop him off at Cleaning Solutions place, and that'll be it for today. Alright, so now that we're on location, out by Stauffer, your mom, we got a deck off. We took these out here quite a while ago. It was quite a show to get them in there because the Premix tank is a little big for a Texas bed. He's like, does somebody have a bed truck? And I'm like, well, I got a Texas bed. I'm like, whatever. We'll make it work. We'll get it in there. Teamwork, Team Blue / white power. But it's in, so we're gonna deck off, and the hoe's gonna kind of grab the ass end. I'm gonna winch around the front and get them lined up so we can get them on the trailers, and we'll get out of here.